How to get the Arms Dealer in Terraria. So you cannot just build a house and wait. He strictly requires you to hold a firearm or ammunition in your inventory. So I have one right here, like the musket. And as you can see, I already have him in my base. So if you want him to move in, make sure that you have built a valid empty NPC house with background and walls just like this. And it also needs a light source, a table, and a chair. Second is, as I said, you will need to have a gun. And the fastest and most reliable method, or early game method, is heading to your corruption or crimson biome, dig down into the chasms right here, and use bombs or sticky dynamite to blow up exactly one glowing shadow orb or crimson heart. So if you're in corruption, it should be a shadow orb, but if you're on a crimson, it should be the crimson heart. So the very first orb or heart you destroy in your world is 100% guaranteed to drop either a musket or an undertaker, along with exactly 100 musket balls. So this is what the musket looks like, and along with the musket balls. So keep the gun or the bullets in your inventory as long as it is daytime, and the arms dealer will automatically move into your vacant house. So you strictly need him to buy the mini shark and an endless supply of ammunition right here, just like that. And that is how you basically get the arms dealer in Terraria.